In this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off login password on MacBook Air or any other MacBooks. So the first step is to click on the Apple logo in the top left corner and then go to System Settings. After that, scroll down to Privacy and Security and scroll down until you see File Vault. Click on this one and then just have to disable it. Now, after we disable this, we're gonna have to go to Users and Groups and then click on the Information button here on our admin. So basically here we can see our username, password. So basically here, if you want, you can leave the password as it is. And then we just have to enable automatically log in as. Now, as you can see, automatic login can be turned on because File Vault is enabled. So you just have to make sure this is set to off. So disable this and then go here and enable automatically login as, and that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.